Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic, and believe it or not, Olight's have another flash sale. I'm gonna give you a little information here. So Olight's having two sales this week. Want to give you a heads up on them. This is Baton Pro here. It's 2000 lumens, uses the magnetic rechargeable port here that we've been used to now. This is a great EDC flashlight. The Baton Pro is gonna come in the black, also gonna come in a bright blue color. I'm gonna make a limited run of those. Those will absolutely sell out, promise. This one will probably sell out too, but these are sell out, so get them quick. The Baldr weapon light here is 1300 lumens. We added it to Mrs. SkinnyMedic's Faxon. We got to add her an optic here too. We're still working on that. It also comes in FDE. In the description below, all the information. It is an affiliate link, so I appreciate the support from Olight there. All the things going on with YouTube. If I mentioned anything gory, bloody, automatically gets demonetized. So I appreciate the support. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.